So this is like complex and customized work, and I want to give a couple examples of what I mean when I say broad, transformative impact in schools and communities. So as one example, we are changing entire schools. So in Denver alone, our scholars have selected 2 high schools that they really want to partner with and adopt. One of those high schools is in Montbello, and the other in Denver Public Schools. And the scholars then met with the administrators of those schools to get the buy-in of the administrators. And the administrators were psyched because 24 greenhouse scholars are getting involved and making a 4-year commitment to that high school. So in these schools, the scholars are implementing really critical solutions. They are teaching younger kids about what life at college is like. They are helping with application coaching for college applications. They're connecting them to scholarship opportunities, and they're implementing peer-to-peer mentorship programs in those schools. In addition to the schools that our scholars have adopted, our scholars are sharing their inspiring stories of resilience and excellence across high schools across the country. So last year alone, our scholars visited 50 different K-12 schools and spoke to 2,500 younger kids to inspire them to do more than they thought they could before. So really extraordinary. And in addition to changing low-income schools, I think for the long run, we are also, with our scholars leading the charge, launched 20 different nonprofit organizations and implemented over 200 research projects and community impact projects to address the issues that the scholars themselves see as the most critical in their own communities. So these projects and ideas that the scholars have initiated have included a STEM education curriculum for young girls in Ethiopia, a nutrition program for middle school kids in New Haven, a college boot camp for low-income middle school students in Denver, a solution improving vaccines for HIV, and research at NASA, Duke, and the National Institutes of Health. So they're doing extraordinary things, and we are advising them, mentoring them, giving them seed funding to implement these ideas all the way along the way with them in collaboration. So by being here tonight, you are already part of something truly special. You are already helping us support more students than we could otherwise, and support those students at a deeper level. But I hope through my examples of community and school impact, I've also indicated a much bigger opportunity, and we need your help. Through leverage and by working together, I think we can achieve extraordinary results with very limited resources. And I, Pete, our CEO, and our staff are overwhelmingly committed to making sure that we make the most of every single contribution that you honor us with tonight. So I want to conclude by emphasizing that our potential is only growing. 2018 is the very first year that we will have more alums of the Greenhouse Scholars Program than we will have undergraduate students currently in the program, so a really extraordinary resource there. And also, exciting, now 8 of our current scholars and alums have children of their own. And I'm really excited to see what their future generation looks like and how the trajectory of their families will be different than what came before. So we have an audacious vision and expectations for major impact. Our vision goes far beyond the 250 students who can call themselves Greenhouse Scholars. We are creating a community of leaders who will evolve the communities of the world. Thank you so much.